I love slime. And I love Sanrio. So I got one of every character. Keroppi, Kuromi, Cinnamoroll, My Melody, and of course, My Melody. I wonder what they'll look like all mixed together. I've never mixed slime before, so this is gonna be interesting. Let's start with Keroppi. Ooh. Next, let's get Kuromi. Hi, Kuromi. Let's get Cinnamoroll. This one actually seems good. Oh, I love clear slime. Hello Kitty's next. Pretty. And lastly is My Melodies. This one's yellow. In the bowl you go. Ready to squish in 3, 2, 1. This is amazing. I honestly love this color. And all the Sanrio characters trapped in the goo really adds to the aesthetic. Guys, what do you rate my slime from 1 to 10? Comment if slay and leave a like if no slay.